Igama lami nguNomcebo Ngonimali, social worker from Mkhanyakude District. Silana eKing Cetshwayo eMpangeni High School sizotraina ama-social workers with the eCares portal registration process la siregister khona ama-creche. Kunama-stages-ke amathathu that we go through. The first stage is where you apply. To apply, it's where an ECD center go to eCares online and register. The first step is where a ECD center is asked question on health and safety of an ECD center. Then the people who are working in the ECD centers are assessed through National Child Protection Certificate to check ukuthi abanawo amacala akwazi abake bahlukumeza ngawo abantwana, because senzela ukuthi kungabi ne-risk ema-creche, sisebenze nabantu abanamacala abake bahlukumeza abantwana. Then when that first step completed, they will get another link where we get to a second stage, which is comply. Comply, it's where the ECD center will fill in the forms in a formal business plan, a implementation plan, a daily program. Then the social worker will come in where eseya lapha e-creche eyo-assessa i-ECD center using i-framework yethu i-Children's Act, kuma-norms and standards. Then ihambe ku-social worker ayovisitha and assess the ECD center. Lapha-ke sisebenza futhi namanye ama-department like umasipala, where health inspectors must also inspect the ECD center according to their health and safety norms. Lapho-ke sekuzophuma-ke imininingwane ama-conditions ukuthi izo-register kanjani. Sihlanganise i-report ka-social worker ne-report ka-health inspector, then kuzobe bese kudlulela kwi-last stage where i-certificate sizophuma, it's either siwu-silver noma siwu-gold. If siwu-silver kusho ukuthi kunama-norms i-creche engakwazanga ukuwamitha, then we get to silver, which is 3 years. Then we go to ugold. Ugold usho ukuthi i-ECD centers imitha wonke ama-norms and standards. That's why izoba ugold, then we give those ECD centers 5 years.